We're working on the Mustang, hooking EJ's car up. I got him. It's a 2000, it's a V6 with a 5-speed. He put the Cobra headlights up on him for Christmas, the cleared out Cobras, and we're having a little bit of trouble. We took her for a test drive, and besides a little oil on the ground, the Cobra brakes are making a noise when we depress the brake, this one in particular. So we're pulling these pins. We're going to re-grease these pins up. I'm gonna also, another thing that could be causing it, the rotor here was not pushed all the way back to the lug nuts, so that could have been the issue. And that pin down here that holds it in place was loose. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and grease these slide pins up, get a better little cotter pin on there, make sure the wheel is pushed all the way back, and get these 17x9 Cobras back on in the front. It's got 10s, 10.5s in the back, and it's on lower springs, so EJ's working on his car and we're trying to get it going. Here's the little C-clamps that hold the pin in. Those have got to be greased up before we put them back on, and I just want to get this little bit of noise gone. I haven't taken the caliper off, pressed it, or looked at the pads, but if this doesn't do it another day, I'm just going to redo the brakes and go from there, and then work on the tires. But it's a nice little driving car. We're going to toss the hood on, get rid of his normal hood, and get it back going here. I figured I'd show you, even on my day off, I'm always working on something. The Cobra brakes really make a huge difference in stopping power on these SN95s. They work well. You just have to take care of them and make sure the rotor's pushed all the way back on the wheel, and that slide pin's in there tight so it won't oscillate. So when you hit the brakes, you'll have noise. But we got some billet grills for the car, the hood. Upper and lower billets for it. I got a Cobra I might put in there. It's gonna be real sick when we get done helping him out do the car. But you guys take it easy. Like, subscribe, or comment below. Thanks.